Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. It's Face Chart Friday. Excuse the contour. It's a bit much, but that's because this face chart, the contour is a bit much. This particular face chart, I have no idea who chose it. I remember somebody sent it to me on Instagram. Either Asia Monet or Allison. It was someone, and I'm just now getting to it because of how intense it is. But I figured, just do it. Like, I mean, my students have seen me in bright greens and neon colors, so at some point they just gotta embrace the fact that I'm their teacher, but I'm also obsessed with makeup. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get started.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap. They don't click click clack like they used to. They don't click click clack. They don't arch that back like they used to. They don't arch that back. They don't bump that track like they used to. They don't bump that track like they used to.
Dance till the night dies, till the night dies. Live till the sunrise, till the sunrise. Work, get your whole life, get your whole life. We gon' pose for that spotlight. We gon' dance till the night dies.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to.
We at the scene, check the posse. Faces adjusted to capacity. I don't know them, but they know me. Bitch, if you gagging, then that's my ID. If we in the room, it's a kiki. Ballin', they brought in the bottles for free. Taking the night, don't wanna leave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my weave. 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 Weave, 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 weave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my weave.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to.
We going in, no photo ops. They taking pictures like they with the pops. Girls in their heels, boys in their crops. They booty shaking even if they tops. We hit the room, everything stops. They spying me, eyeing me like Betty Wap. I love when the bass and the cakes drop. When you hit the floor, the DJ play the vibe.
Dance
Till the night dies, till the night dies.
live
Till the sunrise, till the sunrise.
work,
Get your whole life, get your whole life.
we gon' pose for that spotlight. We gon' dance till the night dies.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap. They don't click click clack like they used to. They don't click click clack. They don't arch that back like they used to. They don't arch that back. They don't bump that track like they used to. They don't bump that track like they used to.
Hey, calling all of my bad bitches, where y'all at?
Right here, right here, right here.
Say hey, if your booty real fine, bitches, my bad bitches, where y'all at? Tonight, we about to bring out the freaks, glitter all over our feet. We want the speakers to bleed, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tonight, we be who we wanna be. Your body on my body. DJ, give me what I need, yeah, yeah, yeah.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to.
Ooh, Tajik child, they don't make them beats like they used to, girl.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap. They don't click click clack like they used to. They don't click click clack. They don't arch that back like they used to. They don't arch that back. They don't bump that track like they used to. They don't bump like they used to.
Dance till the night dies, till the night dies. Live till the sunrise, work. Get your whole life, get your whole life. We gon' pose for that spotlight. We gon' dance till the night dies.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to.
We hit the scene, check the posse. Faces adjusted to capacity. I don't know them, but they know me. Bitch, if you gagging, then that's my ID. If we in the room, it's a kiki. Ballin', they brought in the bottles for free. Taking the night, don't wanna leave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my weave. 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 Weave, 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 weave. Don't kill my vibe, don't touch my weave.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to.
We going in, no photo ops. They taking pictures like they with the pops. Girls in their heels, boys in their crops. They booty shaking even if they tops. We hit the room, everything stops. They spying me, eyeing me like Betty Wap. I love when the bass and the cakes drop. When you hit the floor, the DJ play the vibe.
Dance
Till the night dies, till the night dies.
live
Till the sunrise, work. Get your whole life, get your whole life.
We gon' pose for that spotlight. We gon' dance till the night dies.
They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats.
They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life.
They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to. They don't snap that snap. They don't play click.
And this is the finished look. I actually like this a lot more than I thought I would. By the way, the lip that I used is Lorraine from Renoma, which is a Korean makeup brand, skincare brand. My makeup bunny gave this to me as a gift, and it's 1 part lip liner, 1 part gloss, so it's like 2 in 1, and I like it. It's very subtle, especially for this look, because in the picture clearly the lips were like a light pink and the top is just a shade that I do not own, and if I do own it I probably would never wear it or use it because it's so light for my skin tone. So I figured why not do a gloss, and I am trying to not use all of my Fenty gloss, so I avoided using that one for this look, and I decided to give this a try. I actually like it. It doesn't feel too sticky. It actually kind of feels like the Fenty a little bit. Not as thick though, but the feeling, just not as thick. I like it. I like this entire look. I'm going to work with purple brows. See how my students feel about them. I did add lashes. And of course I never do that on camera, but I did add lashes, and I haven't worn lashes in a while, so this is kind of irritating my soul because I forgot that they're just not, like, yeah, they like make a look pop more, but they're slightly irritating, or at least these ones are. But yeah, this is the finished look. It's very pink and purple. Cannot believe I'm going to work with purple brows, but you know, it could be worse. Again, I do not remember who sent this to me, but I know somebody sent it to me because I save, like, I screenshot, every time somebody sends me one, I screenshot it, and I save them, and I have, like, this entire folder on my phone, face charts that I'm going to be doing, and I decided to do this one because the rest are ones that I could never wear to work because they involve some type of face art or something, so, yeah, I did this one, and I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this same lip or add a color. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll just find out later. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.